Hi, I'm Anthony Davenport, and today we're going to talk about the most common issue I see on credit reports, medical collections. There's four things that I'm really going to highlight today. One is how big of an issue this is. Two is how they come about, which may surprise you. Three is how they impact your credit. And four is what to do when this happens to you. So the first part is how big of an issue this is. It's so big that they found that this affects 35% of people's credit reports. That's a lot of people that have this issue, millions of people. Now, the State Attorney General for the state of New York decided to fight this issue head on and file legislation to help alleviate the problems. The problem is it really cuts short. Now, how they come about is typically this affects people that have health insurance already. They go to the doctor or the hospital and they seek medical attention, but they bill your insurance company, and the insurance companies hate to pay a claim in full. So therefore, they fight between each other, and whatever's left over is usually sold to a third-party debt collection agency, which then impacts your credit score. That's how they come about. Now, how they impact your credit is kind of funky. It doesn't matter when the debt originated. It could have happened 2 years ago, it could have happened 5 years ago. It doesn't matter what it's for, whether it's a medical debt or whether it's a cable bill. And it also doesn't matter how much it's for. It could be for $5 or $1,000. What impacts your FICO score is when they last updated the credit bureaus. And that comes about from doing a couple different things. One is if you call and dispute it with the collection agency. Two is if you write to them. And three, this is the real biggie, if you pay the collection, they're supposed to update the report date, which then makes it look like it's brand new and fresh. That's what impacts your score the most. So you don't necessarily want to pay a collection because then it will update the report date and lower your score. Now, what to do when this happens to you? My advice, if you pay the collection, again, remember that it's going to update the report date and lower your score. If you leave it alone, that may be the best thing to do. You may want to have a professional step in and remove the collection from existence, as this can impact your credit score by 50 to 70 points just by having one on your record. Knowing what to do is the best thing that you can possibly do when this happens to you, and chances are it's going to happen to you at some point in time.